And today we're going to be featuring a floor puzzle that is suitable for children 2 years upwards. Claude's going to introduce us to the boys and let's see how they love it.
So in the box it comes with a 60-piece puzzle set, which is really great, and 8 Softies crayons. I love the big crayons because the toddlers like to hold and grip onto them. Now you'll see that the puzzles are actually quite thick, so they're sturdy. This means they're gonna last. The kids are gonna be able to play with this time and time again. What I really also like about the puzzle pieces is that you can wipe them clean on both sides, and we all know how important that is with toddlers. Now Micador has actually been around since 1952, so they've perfected what they do, even right down to small details like this. These crayons are actually triangular shaped, and that helps with toddlers' grip of the crayon itself. You'll see also that they're covered in paper that helps to keep, the dirty smudgy marks off of their fingers. Really, really clever. They've thought of everything. Hello, friends!
Hello, friends!
Guys, today we've got the Micador floor puzzle. Now you know why this is also great and why I really love it. It's because it actually teaches the kids quite a few things. It helps with their fine motor skills, it helps them to be creative, it helps them to problem solve. And look, it's got these letters, it's double-sided, so we can teach them the alphabet at the same time. Okay kids, look, it's a puzzle. Let's make the puzzle and then we're gonna color it in. Yeah, you did it! Yay, baby!
Yeah, now we can color!
Boys, what color is the tree?
Green!
Green, the leaves on it. Let's color it together. You hold the top, I hold the bottom. Wow, look at that. It's so fun. What color is a piggy? We need pink on here, eh?
I don't have pink. I got pink. Pink is missing.
The great thing about this is that after you color in, you can actually just wipe it clean and the boys can have the coloring in picture again, refreshed for another time. Okay, now JP,
Yes?
Doc, guess what? This is a wonderful puzzle, but there's something on the other side. Let's try see if we can flip it over without breaking it, okay? We're doing it the lazy way because we didn't make it on the other side. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. It's beautiful, look at that. Wow! It's beautiful. Yes, you're right. It's the alphabet. Now this is wonderful, colorful alphabetic table. Look at this, guys. We've got the capital letters and we've got the small case letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Apart from coloring in, kids can actually have fun cleaning up the puzzle afterwards. With the damp cloth, the crayon simply wipes off.